I am Dr. Kaushik Pal. I am working as an associate professor in Department of Mechanical and Industrial Engineering, IIT Roorkee. Also, I am a joint faculty in Center of Nanotechnology, IIT Roorkee. So basically, my work area is that modifications of the nanofillers, or maybe the synthesis of new nanofillers for future applications like the aerospace applications, for mechanical applications, sensor applications, and that energy harvesting and energy storage applications. So in our lab, basically we are synthesizing different type of latest nanofillers. Not only that, we are sometimes modifying those nanofillers in terms of wrapping, doping, and then the applications are for the electronic purpose, mechanical purpose, or maybe sometimes that photovoltaic purpose, or maybe biomedical purpose. So here in this particular case, I am going to offer a course on surface engineering on nanomaterials under MOOC program of MHRD, Government of India. So the UG PG students of mechanical engineering, metallurgical engineering, material science engineering, chemical engineering, chemistry, physics, aerospace engineering, or some nanoscience and nanotechnology, they can take this kind of course for their as a core subject or maybe as a elective subject. The course will be useful if for the practicing engineers, those actually basically those who are working on the material science, or maybe those every day they are dealing with new materials for the various applications. So they can take this course and they can use this kind of techniques whatever we have discussed inside our course thoroughly, so that they can make some kind of new materials, they can make some they can synthesize some kind of new materials for future applications. So the main objective of this course is to introduce of the surface modification techniques. Surface modifications means here actually in this particular case we have described about different techniques by which we can modify the existing surface, or maybe we can generate the new surface by introducing some kind of nanofillers, some or maybe the modification of these nanofillers. Also, we are trying to give some insight input so that what actually is going on inside the materials when we are incorporating some kind of nanofillers directly or maybe the indirectly. That means suppose at the time of preparing those composites or maybe that materials directly, we can put this kind of nanofillers inside the matrix, or maybe the matrix will remain same from the outside, just we are giving like a coating or maybe some kind of layer onto that surface, so that the new surface generation can be possible by which we can use that material for longer purpose. Also, this course will be enable the learners the basic fundamental techniques, that by which techniques actually we are trying to modify those materials, by which technique we are synthesizing the new materials, or maybe that the compatibility in between the matrix and the composites, by which the adhesions properties or maybe that the properties related or maybe the associated with these coating techniques or maybe that surface modifications, so they can understand briefly. And not only that, we have given several examples in terms of some literature review, in terms of the results whatever we have achieved in our lab. So based on that, they can get some knowledge up to date. The surface engineering of the nanomaterials, this is actually the basic science. Basic science means it's totally related with the material science, the material properties. So generally we can modify the material in terms of solid modifications, or maybe in terms of liquid modifications, or maybe sometimes we can do the gas modifications also. So that means either we can modify the outer surface of that particular materials, or maybe sometimes we can incorporate some kind of nanofillers inside the matrix, so that the matrix overall properties can be changed, or maybe sometimes we can do the doping of those kind of nanofillers, some kind of wrapping of those kind of nanofillers, so that they can effectively give some good properties, so that the overall matrix properties can be changed, or maybe the matrix properties it shows totally different. Like suppose my matrix is maybe some hydrophobic or maybe some kind of non-conductive materials, so giving a conducting material layer and a hydrophilic layer, I can make those matrix in a hydrophilic manner, and it can shows the electrical conductivity. So surface engineering, it's totally related a science of material science. So the details of the course actually, so the course is actually total 40 lectures are there. So 40 presentations we have given briefly. Then each of the course broadly that it will give you that what is the surface engineering means, what are the different techniques generally we are adopting for doing the surface engineerings, and not only that, how we are going to do the surface engineering, whether we are trying to modify those materials, whether we are trying to change the material properties or maybe the matrix properties, or maybe how we are incorporating those nanofillers inside the matrix. Not only that, we have given several applications that same material can be used for various applications. So the total lecture has been divided into 40 presentations. So the at the end of the each week lecture, we have given some kind of assignments. So those who will be interested to take this course, they have to do these assignments, and then at the end of this course there is an online exam in which you have to take part, and then you have to answer those questions. But if my thinking is that if you go thoroughly through all the lectures, obviously you will be able to answer all this course. So by this, I look forward to meet with you in this particular lecture. Thank you.